Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making pressure cooker garlic Parmesan chicken pasta. Alright, I'm starting out in my pressure cooker and I'm going to add in a 1-pound box of rotini pasta. It's going to be really quick and easy, packed with flavor. So I'm going to get my pasta down in there. Now I'm going to add in a little bit of salt. Probably about a teaspoon or so. Now I have 2 chicken breasts here. I cut into thin slices. We're going to get that down in the pressure cooker. And I'm just going to even that out. Now I'm going to add some water in here, just enough to cover over the pasta by about 1 inch. We don't need to cover the chicken. That will steam as the pasta cooks. So I'm going to go ahead and add some water in here. There's 4 cups. Thinking about 6 cups should be good. Yeah, not even quite 6 cups. Now that pasta will absorb that water as it cooks. I'm going to go ahead and get my lid on here. And I'm going to set this to pressure cook for 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, I'll do a quick release of the pressure. Alright, this just got done pressure cooking. I released the pressure. Now I'm going to give this a stir. Now you can see there's some liquid in there. Hold this with a towel. That will absorb. Alright, now I'm going to add in a 12-ounce bottle of Parmesan garlic wing sauce. And this is where we're going to get that good garlic Parmesan flavor. We are adding some Parmesan cheese in here. But we're adding this for just now. And Dexter isn't very talkative today, guys. He's upset because I'm making chicken. Right now I have a cup of milk. I'm going to add it in this bottle. Try not to make a mess. We're going to rinse the bottle out with the milk. I'm going to give that a shake. I'm going to set that aside just for a second because I have an 8-ounce block of cream cheese here. I cut it into blocks and let it warm up to room temperature. We're going to get this down in here. Just want to get all your cream cheese down in there. And I'm going to turn this on to saute real quick because we want it to heat up so that way it'll melt those cheeses and heat that milk. I'm going to give that a stir. And this probably could have went for 6 minutes. My pasta's kind of well done, so maybe next time I'll do 6 minutes. I'm going to add in that cup of milk. And guys, this is smelling amazing. Alright, give me that stuff. I'm going to add in a cup of shredded Parmesan cheese. And I'm just eyeballing this. That's looking about good. Now I'm going to give this a stir. I'm going to allow it to come up to a gentle boil. I'll stir it, and when my cheeses are melted, I'll bring it back. This went for just a minute or two, and I stayed with it so it wouldn't scorch on the bottom. This is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I went ahead and I topped that with some parsley for some extra color. Now, if you want your sauce a little thicker, just let it sit for about 10 minutes before you serve it, and that sauce will thicken up. Get in here and try this. We'll start with a piece of this chicken. And guys, this is cheesy. You can see the cheese stretching off. Chicken's cooked through. Nice and tender. Melts in your mouth. And man, wow. Is that flavorful. Try some of this pasta. Cheesy. Creamy. Really delicious. And like I said, next time I'd probably do it for 6 minutes because the pasta's a little overdone. But it's still delicious. Alright, there you have it. Pressure cooker garlic Parmesan chicken pasta. Thanks for watching, and remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.